बायणा एअरपोर्ट फेरी टर्मिनल जेटीचेर हे व्हीआयपी फेरीच्या ट्रायलीक वास्कोचो आमदार कार्लोस दृष्टीचो सीएमडी सीईओ आणि बाकीचे ऑफिसर आशिल्ले। फेरी वास्को पणजे रुटार चलतली। थळावे आणि टुरिस्टांक 40 सिटां आशिल्ले फेरयेत स्नॅक्साची वेवस्थाय आसतली। सुरवातीक रिस्पॉन्स पळोवंक 3 ट्रिपी मारतले। बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळ्यार ट्रिपी वाडटल्यो।
Project which has been coming at Baina Shore, probably by 2nd December it will start. How will it benefit the tourism of Goa?
First of all, the area that we started to operate from is Baina Beach, where we call it the airport ferry terminal. For this, we have to thank Mr. Manohar Parrikar, who has been instrumental in actually bringing Baina back to its original glory.
The idea initiated by Gadkari ji and our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Parrikar, and this is a new mode of transport that we are initiating. It's a waterway transport, so we congest the roads, the traffic that we have. People will have accessibility from the airport with a free shuttle service to Baina. From there, we would, in the first place, have a schedule of a ferry from Baina AFT terminal till Panjim and Old Goa. In between, there's another stop at Bere that we are putting in. The fare is, as of now, the inaugural offer that we have from AFT to Panjim is 800 rupees per person.
फेरी वास्कोसान पणजे पावंक सुमार 40 मिनटां लागतली आणि तिकेट 800 रुपया। पणजेसान ओल्ड गोवा खंय 100 रुपया तिकेट। प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार।